Welcome, you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Maulai Nong Pdeng gets long-awaited village road after 30 years. VPP leaders meet Governor Vijaya Shankar to express gratitude. KSU youths protest Migrants Job Acts for second day. And 2 NGOs donate new classrooms to Sunrise Adventist School. And now the news in detail. After over 30 years of persistent efforts, Maulai Nong Pdeng village finally sees its dream come true with the construction of a 580-meter road connecting Block A to Block C. The project, costing Rs 4.5 crore, was sanctioned by the state government, earning heartfelt gratitude from the village council. Ba Lambok Marbanyang and Ba Kit Kupar Kharshiyeng, along with villagers, expressed their thanks to the Deputy Chief Minister Ba Prestun Tensong. Ba Lambok noted that previous appeals remained unfulfilled despite letters and meetings. However, due to the efforts of Ba Tebor Pathau, MDC of Maulai, long-pending development has finally reached the village, marking a new chapter in connectivity and growth for Maulai Nong Pdeng.
Pauro kajing snungu ya I Ba Tebor lang Pathau, iba lalong UMDC hagutu kapor. Nakaliam juga dor barsnong ngimla lem dapat pau kajing snungu ya I Ba Tebor lang Pathau. Namar dailing ba jong I. Kidon ginong nikmat ibanging la dapat pensngo, ray kumang laong kikot tang kajing pensngo. Ray hakapor ba iba Tebor lang Pathau ilong kum UMDC. Nakalian jong kador barsnong Maulai Nong Pdeng hadian mga ba irang barsnong berangkat the executive committee ke Batamai. Kabang nila dapat syunti ke kam ginong penyatsnong ke Batamai. Nila syuntia ba ke kam. Maka ni kalong kawai naki kam saten po kasnong jungi. Nila ikendo iba Tebor Pathau sebarang UMDC ke Papua. Bat mai. Alam dapat Islam. Ila yalam yang ikum ki nong ke kam jong kasnong pada kendo iba Prestun. Bat dailing ba jong I kani kesurok kalong kumne kumag kalong kajing smongo bakrao kalong syai nabang ju UMDC ringingat gi khot jong kaseng sama seng kibal ai shisha ya kajing yenok senyang lem ki ba klem da kan shoot ya kapor kasi ki lalet na kawai ka si shagawai bat kasi habang ngi khot ban ni kendo la kalong yei ba Pathau la kalong yei ba Prestun Tensong la kalong syapo ki office serta kibang ni datam ki lalong shisha ka ketika man ketika diang kila itu lun nang ni bat haduk kane kakam ka ba ka kalong kumne ka jing snongo kalong ru ya ka executive committee jong kadar barsnong Maulai Nong Pdeng ni pen paro ka jing snongo ka ba kraw ya ki officer ki engineer ki staff jong ka PWD roads shalong sem jong ki ha ka bai dei begini surok da ka khmat ka ba pu sama ke ya rap ni bat ni pen paro ka jing snongo ya ki bat na ngingat ba kinang la ban tre khamha kiwi pat kibenta kikam kicongki bat inget ba nakoi ke por shoi pat por kum ka dor barsnong Maulai Nong Pdeng ni nang dor kam ki bat ni community kikam ki babha kinong na kabenta jong ka dor barsnong Maulai Nong Pdeng ti
Chief Executive Member CEM of KHADC Ba Shambor Lang Renja, along with 15 MDCs of the Voice of the People Party VPP, met Meghalaya Governor CH Vijaya Shankar for the first time since assuming power in the council. The visit aimed to express respect and gratitude for the governor's blessings on the newly formed executive committee led by the VPP, which now governs KHADC with full public support. During the meeting, Ba Renja informed the governor about the election of Matthew Kenneth Makado as a new MDC. The governor warmly welcomed the ruling party. However, the specific issues discussed during the closed-door meeting remain undisclosed at this time.
Kedua jumi yo gubernur dasni dehdian bagi nak simti ya ka isi kedua bagi simti isi ni macam ayu kedua gubernur nak kata dapat dehdian minta kasni dokumen bagi kedua gubernur pun kata keburam itu tujuan kedua kompetisi dot mai nak kabenta ban ya kedua tak boleh gubernur pasti ke kejuan jumi kata si dalam tanam tak kata bat koi pa kabenta ka bangwan samit ka shiti gitu ni so gubernur ha kabdei limited misi kita apa
Kepeng ba
Matthew Bennett
iba day dikot
ide dekat dengan BJP pada reformist
kanang baro ki MDC
borok di poin industri nak remote wage dan tanda
Jadi aja jubab no gubernur.
nah kalian gubernur ulah IT yang kasih ini so komisi sekretari di Jokowi nah kalian itu lah apa gubernur komisi sekretari
Ini keserta gelar kan halang kan demi tempur ka MDC Indonesia.
kami kata ke jumpa misalkan yang tip yang ini kerja dan ini pendak lah kebentar kepada pendak pani ya kata kebentar kepada
Tidak dikreman bo gubernur pun muncul ya teng tu.
Hai gubernur kerja itu kerja songkai kerja tren gubernur long bo sempang ba dengan ngai ba dah ganti hi ke pendak kum kebentar ke lah perdak di sisa
Kibil nang sak teng di omong no.
ya kita
Boleh sibon.
For the second consecutive day, members of the Khasi Students' Union (KSU) continued their silent sit-in protest outside the office of the director of Nigram's Hospital, Shillong. The protest is in response to advertisements issued for job vacancies at the hospital, which the KSU demands be withdrawn. The peaceful demonstration reflects the union's disappointment over the director's failure to engage in dialogue with the protesting youths.
Relaxation relaxation senam berkuih-kuih issues kebebuan bagi mat mengelak so nila lagi kendu itu nila yang keren betul lah pun sien di misro ba kat kerja keren jungi betul kat kerja kosti jungi betul kat kerja jubab jungi ibu beri nyo wan warak kita di kinu kendon ki banong ki ban kecil kelah ki banong kecil mentoy ya yang di lulu kamtam ni yang di nang senong di tari muluk jongga celam ni halia kini ke jingle ke junggu ke pergi ba mau dan air ke temu selang dan bau kuah ban kenyot ini di tari muluk kuah ban tu ya ki samlawat kam macam juni bikin kam bang dia apa ka Nigrams inilah perkat ni asal-usul dengan si mengarai bilik dah kenikah indefinite strike. But mendin hi masih mengikuti indefinite strike berangut hi director, deputy director ila headback ke office. But kalau adu mentar ni pada i serniu ila yu director bungwan ke office ulah dari besi dari kam. Tinggi nak kalian gajungi long kini gajung bomban gajung uru gajung bom simpia ka su nimtre su ni punya keren nomor ni keren unai bin gajung jubab. Kasong no setengah baun jubab mun kelai kita gini boro di Jawa di Jongi iki di 20% ratio dan pelong iki examination centers hang ni apa jela ka Jongi bat yu gimat nomor nga suku pun kenal pi nomor bat ni keren mulu director si kelany poi penban seni setai bilian penkelany ban kan mau macam senam makapor bakira apor bisamla ki Jongi gihap ni ele exam balak kam gihap ni ele su jorhat sekolah kata se Delhi di Dibrugarh galak tajur bah kambun baik samla jungi berbun kilawan kejuar ni yang bah kemlu apakah Nigrams kadang apa jela jungi ni exam ni habili sekolah kata seduk sedeli dekat kata bah kam tam di beduk besuk badan kam banyu kata ka kamai keji biang apabila keren ni director bawa ulang ni bah
On May 2nd, Hill Farmers Union, Senkme and Worldview Impact India handed over a newly constructed building with 2 classrooms to the principal of Sunrise Adventist Secondary School, Lumparing, Khandauso. Built at a cost of Rs 9.81 lakh, the building was donated by the 2 NGOs to support education in the region. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon inaugurated the facility as the chief guest in the presence of Mauhati MDC, Kenjot Rangtong, Umroy NDC, Baisan A. Hing and other dignitaries. School children and local residents also attended the event. The initiative is seen as a significant boost to educational infrastructure in Khandauso area.
Kumba kategori di mana kepala agar bor juga air kalau kriap no, hamtu ini yang dijinton kam jom kepulih putih. Panjang mak pandan ya kata kepulih putih kalau kau nak ikhtiar kepadang kam yang mana away beri. Lagi wasong asong nih nong kendong. Kalau sisa ikhtiar kebor kabegina ya kabaran pendon kam aman lagi klemat jom kajing ilmu kajongi. ngidon hagabakum kanigaya kapor kaba klam kajing nang jinsta kalong kaba ethan pat bon sin hakajing duna jong kajing nang jinsta laju nyon ben laju ban ben ye kaba bon bat ye kaba kum kitangi sham kham tam hagi khapur jong gani ka jala ka ye jongi hai jing ya numpi jonga ibadang khindiat nai ne khindiat snam bangayo ban le ban rong shiki khapur ka jongi natop daga man sem ka sukya aga bangai I shisha bai dita ki ba shong ki khapur ke bakin palong shisha kum ki denkpe haga di shisha yaga di gari ka ba ek ka jongi ka ba sosi kalong baki dei patru kita ke ba sha e ben ke ba sha nyon ben aki ba bon ki banta bat na so ka di ka por pan pau ka jing so ka ba kram ya Health Farmers Union ka world will impact bat baro ki benon banta ban shim ya kane ka senjam haka be dei bat ban kantiu ya ka puli putri shaki kham shaki than khapur khobe shibon se shisen Health Farmers Union ya kane kap jingket ka bakhya ko bi don ba nangit skam ba lengba kini ki atli ki kamra school rangkat pat kini ki bladong lupa
On May 2nd, Umroi MLA Ba Daman Bait Lamare inaugurated the newly constructed building of Mauteneng Secondary School and handed over an ambulance to the Dorbar Shnong Mauteneng. Both initiatives were funded under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, CMSF, aiming to uplift rural infrastructure and healthcare. The event was attended by local leaders including Ba Foster Soyong, village headman, Ba Kitbok Karluki, Secretary, Pastor R.S. Lamare and village elders. Addressing the gathering, MLA Lamare reaffirmed his commitment to work tirelessly for the development of villages within the Umroi constituency, promising continued efforts to improve education and health facilities in the region.
Bade benta kene pat ke school building kede jing bha jing met dalam ta ke school bade khna school bat kadon hero bat ke toilet deh kadon ro ke toilet balayo na department jong education hoy saji se ngamla kham da pun pau ye ke jing ai khuble ye ke ni ka NPIF le ke ni snong mo tneng mar kede ke jing treshi tong ke jong ki jing o jung nam nglayo ban ra Yakini gratili ki jimba ki jingme na mata ka snong ka thau mana mata ka school bari ro ngamla kham rai khuble ro yakini ka sarkar MDA 2 ka jongi yaka jingdon rangkat ka jongkai ka jingle o legnam ka jonga kum MLA jongani ka than ka dong sane haga jingol jingnam ka jonga saka sarkar ka jongi ka MDA 2 kera la ro ban penyo yangi yakini ki skim para po snong ka thau ba po ka school atau Mauteneng karpang akwa ka so nai kublero YouTube ne sabron brom jongi ila bani o yakini ki skim ro kade lang ba na kitnat ki skim ki balabo ka bagi khot ka CMSF ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund ila yo ban ra ro yakini ki jingba jingme ni ki bram bro par hapo jongi ki snong ka thau po snong Mauteneng Tingnan kerman skam susu, haki por skim bersawan, ina yo susu ban penbit ban penbah penmiat, jaga ni kesnong kathau kajong pi Broadway bat kamtam jaga ni school, namang aku mengingat kemat kajong kejonga, nang pun ba kijingdon kam dan ni kijingduna hapo kajong ni school, tangai kumnong mikmat kumemele ujong pi kumgiang sikipor nong pe nong I uprang kapa, jaga ni constituency Umroi Broadway. Ngan selut ngan persangkat dan ibut ibor ngan selut kan betul ibut ibor jonga ban peto ban pembiang ya kejing dula dan jingdon kam jonga di school.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.